Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off the function to keep our screen on while viewing it in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to find this option? We need to go to Settings, then in Advanced Features we have Motions and Gestures, and in here our option is right here. As you can see, keep screen on while viewing. What does it do? Keep the screen on while you are looking at it using your front camera to detect your face. So, to turn it off, we simply uncheck this box right here, and now our camera won't be picking up our face while we are looking at it from this option. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.